Kendry.
Wait, move.
Move. I can't see you. Oh.
Come get your mom.
Oh my God.
Videotape your mom.
No. You asshole, no. Amber, don't say that.
Go. Go. How am I gonna record? No. I could have slipped and fall. No, I'm not going out there. I could get sick.
Hello?
You're not gonna get sick.
You're not gonna get sick, mommy.
Swine flu.
I'm dying.
Influenza. HIV/AIDS.
Oh, gee.
You're not gonna get sick.
What? What did she say?
I know, I'm kinda.
What did she say?
She said chlamydia. We're talking about being sick. She said chlamydia.
You talked about AIDS.
You can die from AIDS. You can't die from chlamydia.
Yes, you can.
No, you can't. It'll just hurt a lot. And you'll go through a lot of sexual dysfunctions. My parents, they're probably watching me from the window of the house.
Luna's not home?
No, she went out her something.
What
My
did-
stepdad opened the door, which is awkward, because I'm soaking wet and I'm like, is Nunu home? He's like, no.
A whore.
Guys, sing the song.
Are you still recording? Let me see.
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. It says record.
I am not a whore. I know.
Is your room clean? I can't do that.
Wait, let me take my hair out. Hold on. Yeah.
Oh, you just went your camera off. Got him. Oh, I messed up the lip.
You messed up. My lip is right.
Look.
You got one too.
He messed up.
She punched, yeah, but did I punch you in your face? Did I say like this? Did I actually swing
But you were
towards
like
your
this.
face?
You put me a headlock and you took my neck a little. You cut my
Oh, that
lip.
was her. That was all you.
At least yours is inside. Okay, mine is on my lip.
So,
Do it again, mommy.
What?
I feel like a poor person now.
Oh, what?
Poor person. You're a true Dominican.
Nena, don't say that.
I have Dance in the Rain in the United States.
This little
Now the real
video.
question, how am I going to get dry? We didn't think this through.
Yeah, right? Why were we get in the house?
I can just walk in. Make sure you got that mop behind me.
Make sure I have the mop behind me. Who am I supposed to use? Cinderella?
Okay.
You're the one that said I have to clean it up. If you insist. I can't.
What's the black one?
If I am here, I'll get it.
Disgusting.
Ow! Oh, look, there's my parents.
No.
Ow!
Amber, if you don't know how to play.
Stop, stop, stop. Stop, stop.
So stupid.
Just go back to the corner and don't come back.
I'm gonna work this corner.
Oh.
I think she's had a little too much practice saying that. I keep a close eye on your daughter. She says she knows how to work the corners. Now, we're not sure if she's talking about a guy's body or an actual street corner.
Listen, you put me there, all right? So,
Apparently I'm sugar daddy or daddy. Girl. I'm daddy.
Okay.
Stop.